Puff Pastry Easy Recipe. Hello, today we have a fantastic recipe for you, Sesame Seed Puff Pastries. Unroll the sawed puff pastry onto a lightly floured surface. Cut the puff pastry into rectangular shapes or desired shapes. Transfer the cut pastries onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between them. Using a pastry brush, generously brush melted butter over the entire surface of the puff pastry. Sprinkle the sesame seed mixture evenly over the buttered puff pastry. Bake in the preheated oven for 12–15 minutes, or until the pastries turn golden brown. And there you have it, delicious sesame seed puff pastries that are ready to be enjoyed.